Good morning, friends. Welcome to my channel Trade Learning. I prepare this video only for learning and educational purpose. Today, first I will go through my yesterday performance. So yesterday, first I had selected Century Textile. Century Textile yesterday market first opened gap up, and accordingly, most of this share also um, open very strong. But since Nifty, Bank Nifty all took turn, the gap was the gap up was rejected, and accordingly, the shares also followed. So yesterday, I entered in Century Textile when this doji low was getting broken at around 331, and I exited very quickly at around 327. The second in my list was Lupin. Lupin I entered Lupin also entered when this candle low was getting broken. So I had entered at around 1017 and I exited in 5 rupee profit. HDFC AMC also I had, but it opened the gap up, so there was no opportunity to trade in this. And I also had given Hexaware as a watch list yesterday, but after opening a spike full day almost, if we leave first 5 minute candle, then full day it was trading in 2 rupees range from 467 to 469. So in fact, in my today's watch list I have included Hexaware. Okay, so in my today's watch list I have Hexaware, Titan, Glenmark, ICICI Prudential, Mahindra and Mahindra, Cadila Healthcare. So we will go through the labels now. So first in Hexaware if breaks upper side 469, then it should give 2 3 rupees profit in a jab. And below 467 it may correct up to 464 465. I am I am biased towards buy side, but if level allows in the downside also, then I will enter. Next is Titan. Titan from last few days is consolidating near near a support. It is not very strong support, but still this is demand zone. So now I feel, and from last 2 days it is in around 30 rupee range, and Titan gives good moves. If you will see all previous day movements, then it give good move. So if today it breaks 1122, then I will go in buy side. My SL will be around 1130. The best scenario is it is if it opens above 1110, and then if it breaks 1122, then it will definitely give 510 rupees. And if it breaks 1100, 1100 is a good psychological support. So if it breaks 1100, then it can give move up to 1093. Again, the best scenario is it should open from the lower side. It should open below 1110. The next in my watch list is Glenmark. Glenmark yesterday was in a yesterday at the end of the session was struggling to break day high. So that's why I have selected this. And the other reason of selection is first 15-minute candle, high and low. This is my favorite pattern. So if Glenmark breaks 473 in the upper side, then first it can give up to 477, then 484. But once it will start moving in my direction, I will keep trailing my ESL. Do remember this and keep this in mind. In the lower side, if it breaks 462, then again it may take support either in this range, or it can take support at 455. Other in my watch list is ICICI Prudential. ICICI Prudential, from last 2 days, it is trading in this range from 400 to 410. So today, if it breaks 410, then it will give, first it should be for around 415, and in the lower side, if it breaks, I mean, there is very less chance to break 400, but if it breaks 400, then it may give a very good uh, downside move. So these are the watch list for today. See, I prepare my watch list. I have only one strategy. The strategy is the shares should be in range. It should be in some range, 5-10 rupees range. If my understanding is, if range is broken, then definitely it will give movement either up or down. I mean, the share can have only three phase. Either it will go up or down, or it will be in range bound. So if it is in range bound, then I am not sure where I will keep my SL. That's why I select, or I enter only when it breaks the range. So hope my video will help you in analyzing all these scripts. So if you like my work, then please subscribe to my channel and encourage my work by hitting like button. Thank you.